What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So today, this video I'm very excited about. This is the GoPro. I've never had a GoPro in my life. Never had the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. I got the white though. No, the 7 though. Yeah, I'm very excited for this one. This is the video I'm very excited about because I'm going on holiday soon and you guys are going to be seeing them videos, and I need this especially so I can make those videos very, very beautiful for you guys to have a look at. That'll be on my comedy channel, which I don't really post on, and also this channel as well, just in case you're subscribed to my comedy channel and you're not subscribed here, you know what I'm saying? I know who you are. I know who you are. And like I said, this one is it's an exciting one for me because it's a camera. I use a camera to make these videos. That's why you guys can see this video. And yeah, I might even be using this for some videos I make for you guys, for the tech. I don't know, we could have like a second view, something like that. I don't know, but I mean, we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. Now let's rip into this bad boy, shall we? Look at that. Look, but now it looks how it's sold on TV and in Curry's as well. I've always walked by Curry's and I've seen that. Always, I walk past and I look at it, I'm like, I really want it, bro. One day. And yeah, it's on the table, it's bought, it's here, you guys can have it. Anyway, enough of me blabbing on about this. So, let's have a little look around. I thought this was 4K. You got the white edition, the grey edition, and the black edition. I believe the grey edition and the black edition is 4K, and I thought this one was 4K as well, but this is actually 1080p 60 frames per second, which I don't know. I don't know why they've done that, but I mean, for a low price, I mean, I guess that's what you're gonna get, isn't it? But anyway, we got it's the camera is 10 megapixel. Again, it says for 1080p 60 frames per second. It's got a mic built in as well. I'm pretty sure that's what that sign means. It has a mic built in. And then you can go underwater. You can go underwater for 10 meters or 33 feet underwater. And then it's touchscreen. I didn't even know that. It's touchscreen. Didn't even know that was a thing. It's a touchscreen and you can do 2 times slow motion. Viewed over there, you can see that. And on the side here, it just tells you what's in the box. So obviously we got the camera. No way. We got the case as well. I also, there's one thing I was skeptical. I can't talk. Skeptical about buying this because I thought it only came with this and the shell, but apparently here it's telling us it comes with a window kind of casing, so it's for the waterproof. Well, I hope so. Well, there's a picture there, and then it's got the wire, and then it's got some high harnesses and stuff like that you can mount it on. I feel very offended, literally very offended. Made for iPhones and iMacs, not an iPads only. So I can't even use my phone. Wow. Oh, okay. You can get the app on the Play Store, the iCloud. Sorry, I mean the App Store. You know, there's nothing Apple here in this channel, so you know, it's not my bad if I say something about iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So you get the app on the iOS and the Android, any iOS and any Android, which is pretty cool. But yeah, enough for me rambling on. Let's have a look. I don't know how to open this thing. We got a live tab. Boom. Open. Hope we get some nice goodies in here. Look at that. Smells very new. You can already see my nose print on the fucking camera, bro. That's good. Smells very, very new. I allowed you to detach this. Can you not detach it? No, you can't. Wow, I must say the packaging on this is absolutely phenomenal. You're not even paying for the camera. All you're paying for is for the packaging. Look at the design of the packaging. Everything glued on. This doesn't even move. You have to lay it down like that and open it like this. Essentially, look at that. Look at the presentation. I think this is the best box I've ever opened. Like, out of all products, yeah, this is the best box I've actually ever opened. Including the phones as well, this is the best box I've actually ever opened. Yeah, so look, this is what we're presented with. Well, I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. This is literally all we get. What the hell is this? I've got a quick stat guide, shows you how to do it, how to use it. I don't know what that is. Got some stickers. Don't know how I'm gonna be using them stickers though. And then we got some safety informations. We don't really need that. We don't use any of that. This is the main. This is the main bad boy we come to see. Hey, what do you get this at? I feel very offended. Literally very offended. Made for iPhones and iMacs, not an iPads only. So I can't even use my phone. Wow. Oh, okay. You can get the app on the Play Store, the iCloud. Sorry, I mean the App Store. You know, there's nothing Apple here in this channel, so you know, it's not my bad if I say something about iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So you get the app on the iOS and the Android, any iOS and any Android, which is pretty cool. But yeah, enough for me blabbing on. Let's have a look. I don't know how to open this thing. You got a live tab. Boom, open. Hope we get some nice goodies in here. Look at that. Smells very new. You can only see my nose print on the fucking camera, bro. That's good. Smells very, very new. How do you detach this? Can you not detach it? No, you can't. Wow, I must say the packaging on this is absolutely phenomenal. You're not even paying for the camera. All you're paying for is for the packaging. Look at the design of the packaging. Everything glued on. This don't even move. You have to lay it down like that and open it like this. Essentially, look at that. Look at the presentation. I think this is the best box I've ever opened. Like, out of all products, yeah, this is the best box I've actually ever opened. Including the phones as well, this is the best box I've actually ever opened. Yeah, so look, this is what we're presented with. Well, I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. This is literally all we get. What the hell is this? I've got a quick stat guide, shows you how to do it, how to use it. I don't know what that is. Got some stickers. Don't know how I'm gonna be using them stickers though. And then we got some safety informations. We don't really need that. We don't use any of that. This is the main. This is the main bad boy we come to see. Hey, what do you get this at? Hey. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wow, it actually comes with a stand, so you can actually put this on display. Put it on like that and put it on display. That is pretty damn cool. And then So you can stick these on something, like your head, and put this on, like this, and you can see what's going on. Okay, that's pretty cool. Well, yeah, like I say, you can get a lot more mounts for this thing, which is cool. But look at it, it's so flipping small. Okay. No way. This is tile. Wow. It's got a bit of, it's not heavy, but it's got a bit of heft to it. Like to tell you, it's a nice quality Supreme product, you know? I really better it. Gosh. No way. This doesn't have a this doesn't have a battery. I guess you open it from here. Oh, I don't even know. Then I'm gonna power this up and see what's what one. See what this Hey. 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 Oh my god. Telling me how to set it up and everything. English, yes. Wow, the touchscreen actually works. Wow. You see this? Look at that. That's literally iPhone right there. That's literally Apple. Like the menu for Apple. That's a bit mad. Wow. What's today's date? What's today's date? Today is the 27th.
27th.
Today's the 27th.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks pretty damn mad. Got the fish-eyed. You guys see me? We've got the fish-eyed view. Wow, I can literally see my whole setup in one frame. That is pretty damn cool. Wow, that is pretty damn cool. That's a bit mad. Flipping out. I can't wait to use this bad boy. It's a little bit scuffy because I just put my nose on it. But the quality is excellent. Well, you wouldn't know unless you... And I'm going to play around with this bad boy. And who knows, another review for you guys there. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe, share the video. And yeah, more video coming up soon. It's quite an exciting year. We want this year to be the year that YouTube just pops off, you know what I'm saying? But yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.